In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the top 5 best pizza ovens. I'll share the best pizza oven and reveal which one took the top spot. We'll start with my 5th choice and work our way up to the #1 pizza oven that I believe is the best of the bunch. If you want to check the prices of each product, check out the links in the description, as I've linked each of the products mentioned. Number 5, we have the Ninja Outdoor Pizza Oven, your all-in-one solution for outdoor cooking. With its 8-in-1 functionality, you can cook everything from crispy Neapolitan pizzas to tender roasts. Reaching up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers perfectly charred restaurant-quality pizzas in just 3 minutes, with 5 preset options to suit any pizza craving: thin crust, New York style, or even frozen. Plus, the built-in barbecue smoker box allows you to infuse authentic smoky flavors using wood pellets. It handles a 12-inch pizza or a full roast effortlessly. Its electric heat ensures precise temperature control, so you can cook with confidence without an open flame. Elevate your outdoor cooking game with this powerhouse oven. Number 4, Cuisinart Pizza Oven. Transform your pizza nights with the Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven. Designed to bake 12-inch Neapolitan pizzas in just 5 minutes, this countertop powerhouse can handle any style, from deep dish to New York style. With a temperature range of 350 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures a crispy crust and melted cheese every time. The large viewing window and interior light let you easily monitor your pizza without opening the oven. User-friendly controls, an integrated cooking guide, and an independent countdown timer make it simple to use. It comes with a full pizza kit, heat-conducting stone, deep dish pan, and pizza peel for easy handling. Enjoy authentic, restaurant-quality pizzas from the comfort of your kitchen, all with the Cuisinart touch. Number 3, we have the Aidpiza Pizza Oven. Experience the joy of wood-fired cooking with the Aidpiza Outdoor Pizza Oven. Perfect for backyard gatherings, this compact stainless steel oven quickly cooks 12-inch pizzas, adding that unique smoky wood flavor to every slice. Powered by hardwood pellets, it ensures a balanced burn for an authentic taste that gas grills can't replicate. With a built-in thermometer, you'll know when it reaches the ideal cooking temperature of 662 degrees Fahrenheit, so no extra tools needed. The folding leg design makes it portable and easy to set up anywhere. Beyond pizza, this oven's multifunctionality lets you grill steaks, chicken wings, or veggies. Durable, efficient, and easy to use, it's the perfect addition to your outdoor cooking adventures. Number 2, the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven. The perfect portable wood pellet pizza maker for outdoor gatherings. Constructed with premium stainless steel, this sturdy oven reaches temperatures of 570 to 660 degrees Fahrenheit and cooks delicious Neapolitan-style pizzas in just 90 seconds. Ready to bake within 18-20 minutes, it's perfect for pizzas, steaks, burgers, and more. The folding legs and lightweight design make it easy to transport for camping, tailgating, or backyard parties. Enjoy even cooking with minimal toppings for a classic flavor. With its efficient heating and 12-inch cooking surface, this oven makes family pizza nights unforgettable. Built for durability, the Bighorn Outdoors Pizza Oven brings restaurant-quality pizza to your outdoor events. Number 1, we have the Ooni Koda 16-gas pizza oven, the perfect choice for quick, authentic, stone-baked pizzas at home. Heating up to a sizzling 950 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes, this outdoor pizza oven bakes 16-inch pizzas to perfection in only 60 seconds. Its powder-coated carbon steel shell ensures excellent heat retention, and the efficient gas ignition makes cooking simple and seamless. Designed to be versatile, you can use it not only for pizzas but also for roasting meats, fish, or veggies when paired with Ooni cast iron accessories. The lightweight, portable design makes it great for any backyard, camping trip, or outdoor party. Enjoy restaurant-quality pizzas in your own outdoor kitchen. In conclusion, having the right pizza oven can transform your outdoor cooking experience, offering restaurant-quality pizzas in the comfort of your own space. Whether you prefer gas, wood-fired, or electric, there's a perfect pizza oven out there for every style and taste. We hope this guide helps you find the ideal oven to create those delicious, crispy pizzas for family and friends. Let me know in the comments which pizza ovens is your favorite. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.